Hello, students.
Hello, sir.
How are you, all of you?
I am fine. How are you?
Wow, I'm so fine. Are you all happy now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Dear students, today I'm going to give you one simple task. Are you ready to do it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. See, a half leaf above my head. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Who can touch it? Come and touch. Try to touch. One by one. Okay, you can touch it. Okay, you can touch it. Very good. You can jump and touch. Very good. Yeah, you can just stand and touch it. Very good. So tall.
I can take.
Good. Come anyone from this side.
I can touch.
Try one more time. No problem. Come, try one more time. Very good. Very good, students. Everyone has done very well manner. Some of you can touch just by standing yourself. Some of you can jump and touch the leaf. So actually this is called your personal ability to do. So in this session we are going to see actually what we are able to do. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, now I am going to do some actions. You have to express or say it in a sentence. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Now see my action. What I am doing, you just say it in sentence. Ready?
Yes, sir. Walk. Jump. Dance. Read. Fly. Sing. Write.
Very good. Okay, students. Now what you have said is all action words. I'm going to tell it in a complete sentence. For example, what I have done at first.
Walk.
Very good. I can walk. This is a complete sentence. Next.
Jump.
Jump. I can jump. Next.
Eat.
Eat. I can eat.
Write.
Write. I can write.
Clap.
Clap. I can clap.
Sing.
I can sing.
Dance.
I can dance.
Drink.
I can drink. Very good. Now have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Dear students, now I am going to add just one more word with the pattern of the sentence what we have already seen. Any one of you can say a sentence from our last activity?
Yes, sir.
Anyone say?
I can walk.
Very good. See, I can walk. This is the pattern of the sentence we have seen in our last activity. Now tell me what I am doing.
Walk.
Very good. Now first is the one word. I am going to add the pattern of the sentence I can walk. Now the complete sentence is I can walk fast. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what I am doing.
I can walk slowly.
Very good. I can walk
Slowly.
slowly.
I can clap slowly. I can clap fast.
I can clap fast.
I can dance fast. I can dance slowly.
Excellent. Now any one of you can stand and say like this sentence. Any one of you.
I can walk fast.
Very good. Give a big clap. And anyone from this side? Anyone? You just come here and say.
I can dance slowly.
Very good. Excellent. Dear students, now I am going to give you one single action word. You have to make it in a complete sentence. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Sing. Anyone come and say the complete sentence.
I can sing a song.
Very good. Give her a big clap. Next. Eat. Anyone?
I can eat idli.
Very good. Read.
I can read English.
Very good. Give her a big clap. Dance.
I can dance Bharadam.
Very good. Thank you, students. Actually, you have done a wonderful performance today. We shall meet in our next class. You have to develop this format of sentence with your friends, family, and school campus. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.